Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of March 5th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is pigs. Pignic by Matt Phelan. It's a perfect day for a picnic. There is a tree to climb. Uh-oh. Too high. Hooray! There is a kite to fly. Uh-oh. No wind. Huff, puff, hooray! Pretzels, pies, pickles, and plums. Uh-oh, dark clouds. Mud? Mud! Hooray! Hooray! What a perfect day for a picnic. The end. We're going to do some mud finger painting. So what you need is your Craft to Go kit, which is a large piece of paper and a pig. And I'm going to carefully take the staple out and put it in the garbage because you don't want it laying around on your floor because it could hurt if you step on it. So you take that off and you open up the paper. You got your big piece of paper. You'll need some brown paint to make mud and a glue stick to glue your pig on. Now the directions say to glue the pig on last, but I'm going to go ahead and glue it on first. Just because I am going to put some mud on the pig. The pig can't play in mud without getting muddy. Oops, we're almost done with this glue stick. Right to the bottom here. Okay, I'm just going to put the pig right in the middle and smash him on. And then we're going to take our paint. We're going to stick our fingers in. Oh, gooey, gooey, gooey. We're just going to finger paint the mud all over. Getting some on the pig. Getting most of it on the paper. Oh, that's really cold. It's been a long time since I've finger painted. Feels pretty good though. It's nice and gooey. It'd be really fun to do this with pudding, but and that's all there is to it. You got your pig in your mud. Gotta set that aside to let it dry. I like the swirls. I'm gonna leave the swirls in. And that's it.